Hi all, today we are going to discuss one more problem of the array, which is to validate the array is the valid mountain or not. Basically, we need to just find that element of the array is are increasing in the proper way or decreasing in the proper way or not, we need to find. So let's discuss what is the mountain or the valid mountain. Okay, so suppose I have one array and the element of the array, which is the 0 3 4 5 6 3, let's say 3, and what will be the 1, let's say. So based on the array we need to make the mountain. So let's say this is the graph, okay, straight line. Now in that array, our cursor, our pointer 0 start from here, it will be go, which is the 3, then it will be going to the fourth, then fifth, then sixth, and now decreasing to the 3, which is 3 and 1. So here it's increasing in the strict way, right? In the proper way it's increasing, okay, and then it's decreasing, okay. So this is the valid mountain. So what will be the invalid mountain? Suppose the same array, we have the array B over here, and 0 3 4 5 6, and then 3, and then it's showing 5 2. Okay, so for this, the what will be the mountain? It will be start from the 0, and here 3 0 3, and then 4 5, and here 6. Now it's decreasing to the 3. Now again it's going to the increase to the 5, and then decrease to the 2. Okay, so it's increasing and then decreasing, and then increasing and then decreasing. Okay, so this is invalid mountain, and this is the valid mountain in array, we can say. So the element of the array will be in the valid mountain or not, we need to find the problem. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? Let me erase this all the content. So here we have given the array, which is element are here. So see, suppose if I consider this is as a left L and this is as a right. Okay, suppose we need to go in this direction, clockwise direction, and at the some point of time my array should be increased and then it should be decreased. So you can see over here it's increasing from 0 3 4 5 6 up to 6, it's increasing, and then it's going to the decreasing direction. Okay, so what will we do? Suppose I consider L, which is as a 0 position. I will check that L is less than to the R or not. Here the L is less than to the R. Now what I will do? I will compare that the next element is increasing or not. Here you can see the 0 less than to the 3 means it's increasing. Okay, so my L will be becomes 1 plus. So it will becomes over here. Okay, and now the next point, we will check the second element from the fourth and fifth. So L plus L1. Okay, L plus L1, 3 3 is less than 4 or not. So here it's a true, so it will be becomes L, my L will be over here. Okay, and now same thing I will do with the 4 and 5. So 5 is greater than L, which is true, and here which is also true. Okay, So it will be all items will be removed basically, and my L is becomes at which position? At the at this position. Okay. Now you can see the L reached to the highest value. Now my array should be decreased. So what I will check that it's going to the decreasing direction or not. Okay. So the L plus 1 is less than or not, means the next element or the current element is greater than or not. So here the condition which is 2, so L becomes over here. Here the 3 also the greater than 1, so my L becomes over here. Okay, now L and R comes R equals, so then we can consider that we have covered that it's a increasing and then decreasing. So it's an a valid mountain array. Okay, so let me write the code so you will get the better understanding uh, for the solution perspective. Okay, so suppose my L equals will be the 0 and R will be the length of the array, so a dot length minus 1. Okay, so I am just writing the while loop like L is less than R condition true, and now the second condition will be checked that the next element is greater than the previous element or not, means array of L which is the 0 position at the initial level is less than next element will be the L plus 1. Okay, so this is the while loop. So here it will be the L and this is my L plus 1. Okay, so the condition is true, so L becomes plus plus over here. Okay, so L will becomes plus plus, it's come to over here, then it will be go to the next element and it will check the next element is greater than the previous condition true, then L becomes over here, and then it will check the next element is greater than the previous element condition true, L becomes over here, same here also. And now my condition is going to the false because the next element is less than to the previous elements. Okay, so L will be stay over here only. Okay, now what I will do, I will check that if my array is reached is only increasing order. Okay, and or my array is or my L equals to means there is no element in the left content. Okay, so basically what this situation is says that suppose my array is only increasing like 1 0 3 4 5 and 6 only, so here it's a increasing but not the decreasing, because the valid mountain is only when your array is becomes like this and then it's decreasing. Only one time it's increasing and one time it's decreasing, not multiple times. Okay, so this is not the valid scenario. So to cover this scenario, we have to validate the this if condition also over here. So now if the condition is true, then we will print like this is not the not valid mountain. Okay, now in the next steps will be like now the this loop is to increasing order, to check the increasing. Okay, this order it's check only for the its array is over and it's increase order only. Okay, now we need to consider that now this while loop will check that our array is decreasing order or not. Okay, so now here our this while loop will check the decreasing order. Okay, so here the same thing we will do, the L is less than R, and now for the decreasing perspective, here what we have considered that the current element is less than to the next element. Now here what should be there in the decreasing order? The current element should be greater than the next element. Okay, so the so over here my current element should be greater than to the next element. Okay, so only this changes, the condition change only should be over here. Now if it's increasing, then we need to do the plus plus, and at the end, what if my array is l equals to r, then we can say that it is a valid mountain. Okay, so basically it should be increase and then decrease. So this this is the case where we can solve this problem. There are the multiple ways, but yeah, this is the solution you can sort out. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for the watching. Please let me know if you need any help and you want to get the source code. Please write down in the comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.